Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to calculate TDS on professional fees. Before starting, you have to enable TDS in Tally Prime. Please watch this video before. We have to create certain ledgers like professional fees, party ledger, and TDS on professional fees. At first, we have to create TDS nature of payment. Go to Create, then TDS nature of payment. Type professional fees and type 194J. Payment code is 94J. Rate of TDS is 10% if both have PAN. Without PAN, Tally will automatically calculate 20%. Threshold or exemption limit is 30,000. Now press Ctrl plus A to save. You have to create a professional fees ledger. To create this, go to Create, then Ledger. Type professional fees, which comes under indirect expenses. Is TDS applicable? Select Applicable. Select professional fees in nature of payment. Now type the party name, which comes under sundry creditors. Select Yes to maintain bill by bill. Select Yes to TDS deductible and select appropriate deduct type. Deduct TDS and same voucher, select Yes. Fill in all the other details of the party. Now the main part, enter the PAN number. If you skip this, Tally will automatically calculate 20% TDS and now save the voucher. Now create TDS on professional fees, which comes under duties and taxes. Type of duty or tax, select TDS. In nature of payment, select professional fees and save the ledger. Now, to record this transaction, go to Vouchers. Press F7 for Journal Voucher. Debit the professional fees account and enter the expenses amount. Credit the party ledger. Tally will automatically calculate the amount after deducting TDS. A Bill-wise details screen will pop up. Select a new reference and allocate the amounts. Credit the TDS on professional fees. The TDS amount will show automatically. Write the narration and save with Ctrl plus A. That's it. In the next video, I will show you how to calculate TDS on rent. Follow for more tips.